Hey friends, we're going to read a song about animals and how there's different groups of animals. They're classified different ways. It's called mammals, reptiles, birds, fish, amphibians, and bugs. It's a lot. All right, first are mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded vertebrates. They're hairy and make milk to feed their babies. Some examples of mammals. Lions, elephants, tigers, bears, these are all mammals. Yeah, mammals. Look at that. It's a lot of animals. There's a lot of mammals. Reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded vertebrates. They're also covered with lots of scales. Ooh. Let's see. Snakes, alligators, lizards, turtles, these are all reptiles. Miss Kelly can't stand snakes. That's why there's no picture of a snake in here. Sorry. There's an alligator and a turtle and a lizard. We see lots of lizards right now outside in the garden. Yeah. They are reptiles. They're scaly. Okay. Here's another one. It's birds. Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates. They have lots of feathers and they lay eggs. They lay eggs. Different birds. Eagles, peacocks, penguins, cardinals, these are all birds. They come in all kinds of sizes and shapes, don't they? Ooh, here's another one. Fish. Fish are vertebrates that like to swim. They live in water and have gills and fins. They breathe underwater. Sharks, tuna, goldfish, clownfish, these are all fish. Whoa, they come in all shapes and sizes too. All right, here's another one. Amphibians. Amphibians are cold-blooded vertebrates. They live on land or water and don't have scales. The most common amphibian we see are frogs. Yeah. Frogs, salamanders, toads, newts, these are all amphibians. Kind of slimy. Ooh. One more. Bugs. We see lots of bugs right now. Bugs have 6 legs and a hard shell. They often have antennae and wings to fly. Lots of bugs. Ooh. Ants, spiders, flies, ladybugs, these are all bugs or insects. Yeah, we see lots of bugs that come out when it's warmer. And one thing I meant to tell you in the beginning was the word vertebrates. Yeah, that's a big word. It just means you have a skeleton. We're vertebrates. So not all animals have skeletons, but most of them do. But that's what vertebrates means. It means they have a skeleton. So that's a little bit about some animals and how they're grouped.